We'll look at some of the top landing gear options for the DJI Air 3S in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Spider Landing Gear. A Spider Landing Gear is one of the top choices for enhancing the stability and safety of your DJI Air 3S. Known for its robust design and easy installation, this landing gear significantly elevates the drone's performance, especially during takeoff and landing. With its distinctive spider design, this landing gear not only gives your drone a sleek, futuristic look, but it also gives it a sense of professionalism and technology, which helps it stand out from the competition. You may freely alter the height to suit your needs thanks to the 2 different types of adjustable legs that are included. By doing this, the drone and its sensors are shielded from harm and kept clean during takeoff and landing by effectively increasing the distance between the drone and the ground. The landing gear, which is made with precise molding, fits snugly into the drone body without obstructing the bottom lighting, vision system, or sensor system. The landing gear is more clever and useful due to its foldable design, which also makes it convenient to carry and store. On number 2, we have BTG Landing Gear. Another great choice for anyone wishing to improve the stability and security of their DJI Air 3S is the BTG Landing Gear. This landing gear is a well-liked option for drone enthusiasts due to its robust construction and user-friendly design. With its quick-release, all-in-one design, ABS plus PC is lightweight, doesn't add unnecessary weight to the drone, and efficiently increases the distance between the drone and the ground by 20 millimeters. It also keeps the drone and sensor clean and safe during landing and takeoff. Foldable landing gear is very safe and steady for landing and taking off, and it can be installed close and safely without obstructing the drone's bottom light or vision system. Additionally, the BTG landing gear is foldable, which gives drone operators even more flexibility. This landing gear's ability to fold makes it simple to store and transport without requiring a lot of disassembly. Because it saves space and setup time, this functionality is especially helpful for people who travel with their DJI Air 3S regularly. On number 3, we have KRASNIK Landing Gear. One dependable choice for improving your DJI Air 3S's performance and safety is the KRASNIK Landing Gear. This landing gear is especially well-suited for drone pilots who regularly operate in difficult settings because of its creative design and solid build. The DJI Air 3S drone's flying duration is unaffected by the lightweight design of its 22-gram landing gear. Without the need for installation equipment, it is simple to install and delete, won't tremble or come loose while in flight. Design that folds up for convenient storage won't obstruct the coolant vents, bottom sensor, or power indicator. Your drone's ability to fly is unaffected. Ideal for launching on mud, sand, grass, etc., the drone's arms can still be folded or opened normally after the landing gear is in place. This landing gear's integrated shock absorbers reduce impact forces during landings, lowering the possibility that your drone will sustain damage. This is particularly helpful for pilots who frequently land on uneven or rough terrain, as well as for new pilots who are still learning their landing methods. So these are some of the best landing gears to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.